So just a quick video for a quick questions that we have been receiving lately. So is it still worth it to buy a PS4 this 2025? Well, last year, 2024, we have made a video that it was the best time to get a PS4. So what now this 2025? Well, actually, it is even better. Why it's even better? Well, first is the price. PS4 is just a fraction of the cost of the PS5 or any other new generation console today. So that itself is a reason enough to get a PS4. And well, most people are actually worried because of the loss of the support from Sony, since Sony will be ending its support on the PS4. So we can no longer expect any more games to be released on the PS4. But look at the huge library that you can have if you get a PS4. So you can't expect any more games, but look at the past games that you or that is at your disposal if you get a PS4. And also, since we are getting a lot of support from the PS4 exploit community, you can expect a lot more stuff that you can do on the PS4. So if you can get a good catch on a PS4, go ahead and get one and enjoy your gaming life. Till next video.